Ever wonder why some sounds are high-pitched and others are low? It's a fascinating aspect of how we perceive the world around us. It all comes down to two main factors: frequency and amplitude. These elements work together to create the sounds we hear every day. Frequency is how many sound waves pass a point in 1 second. It's measured in hertz, Hz. Higher frequency equals a higher pitch. Think of a squeaky toy or the high notes on a violin. Lower frequency gives a lower pitch, like the deep rumble of thunder or the low notes on a bass guitar. Amplitude, on the other hand, is the height of the sound wave. It determines how loud or soft a sound is. Bigger amplitude means a louder sound, like a booming speaker. Smaller amplitude? Softer sound, like a whisper. So, next time you hear music, remember, it's all about the waves. The interplay of frequency and amplitude creates the rich tapestry of sounds that color our lives.